Rest in peace, Senzo. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the House of Zwide from the 17th to the 21st of July 2023 on Monday. Molefe is excited about his new job at House of Zwide. Faith and Funani are devastated after hearing about their son's death, and Faith is convinced it was Nandi's past doing on Tuesday. Molefe is concerned about how Senzo's death will impact him starting his new job. Funani anxiously awaits the autopsy result to prove if Nandipa was involved in their son's death on Wednesday. Reassure Molefe for bringing up his job to Funani. The autopsy report no foul play in Senzo's death, but it revealed the doctor is in Nandipa's pocket. Faith reaches out to Isaac on Thursday. Funani says some beautiful words as the Zwide lays their sons to rest. Molefe is comfortable at the House of Zwide and suddenly deals with a client. Isaac discovers evidence that point to Nandipa on Friday. Funani confronted the doctor about the autopsy report, but discovers the doctor is more afraid of Nandipa. The Zwides confront Nandipa and they get what they wanted and more. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Rest in